everyone, welcome to my channel Study Junction, and in this video we are going to discuss some of the important previous year questions of chapter circles. So it's really important to prepare some previous year questions. So that's what we are going to discuss in this video. So first of all is the same question from exercise first exercise of your circles chapter. This is question number 3. So it is really important. And in this video, I would be telling you questions that have come from NCERT book, because CBSE exam is mostly prepared from the NCERT book. So most of the questions will be from NCERT book only. If I find some other questions, then I will tell them to you. So, but our main focus would be on NCERT only. So this third question is important. Then let's see the next question. Now question number 2 from exercise 10.4 of circles chapter is also an important question. It has been asked in the exam several times, so do prepare this question really well. Next up is the question number 4. This question generally comes with a figure. If a school doesn't provide figures for the questions, then there are less chances for the question to occur. Otherwise, it's an important question and it has been asked several times. Okay, next up is this question 5 from the same exercise. Now, this question can be interpreted in many ways. Here's an example, like some girl's name or boy's name is given over here, and then the question is framed, but it can be asked in simple way by taking A, B and C. So in all, it's an important question. Okay, next up is this figure question. So these questions, this exercise is really easy, but still you need to pay focus on. This is a very important question. This is generally asked in most of the exams. So second question, very important. Mark it as very important. Should not forget the solution for this question. It's very important. Then third question is also important. It's really important. The calculations. This fourth question is simple but important. The other questions from this exercise are not so important. Yep, this is another important question. If non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is cyclic. So do prepare the solution for this. This is a proving based question from this chapter. Next question, mostly seen in the exams, prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. So another important question. This is very important question from the exercise. Now this question which I am showing you right now is from NCERT exemplar. So this is another important question. It is similar to that question which is in NCERT 2, angles on major segment and minor segment. So it's really easy. No difficulty would be there. So yeah, it's a similar question which can be asked. Now, if you're seeing this question number 9, this is important for 1 mark. So these kind of questions generally occur for 1 mark, and then this question too for 1 mark. So these two questions are for 1 marks. So prepare them really well. Okay, next up is also very important but yet very easy. Just one theorem. So it's really easy. You would be able to solve it definitely. Now this is another important question. This is for 1 or 2 marks question. So you have to find the radius. So these kind of questions are generally seen in the exam for 1 to 2 marks. So do prepare this question. So yeah, these are all the important previous year questions from this chapter. So basically do prepare this chapter from the NCERT really well, because the exam would be from the NCERT book itself. So no need to go for extra material, but if you want to do some practice, so I've already given some questions, extra questions for this chapter. You can go and check out this, check out that video, and also this video is also helpful. So yeah, that's all I have to say in this video, and I would see you all in the next video with one more chapter. Bye.